What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel in another video. Today we're going to be using this color palette right here: titanium white, fluorescent pink, magenta, and then I have kind of like a peach all together to make something gorgeous. And it's going to be gorgeous. Whether it's gorgeous or not, it's going to be gorgeous. So that's just the rules. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing great. Today is Virginia and I's 1-year anniversary. So she has something up her sleeve. I don't know what it is, but she planned something. And I am going to be there right after this. So, very excited about it. She's very, very good at the whole planning everything. I'm not good at this stuff, but she's like really good at it. So I am grateful. So it is getting closer to being fully summered out here in Phoenix. I know it's not like 120 yet, but it's getting there. It's getting toasty now. Ooh, these colors, I'm getting more and more excited at when I'm seeing it. Just all those contrasts. There we go. All right. What? Nice. I'm excited to see what this looks like. Oh, yeah. That is awesome. Very nice. Let me get my heat gun. Oh wow, look at all those cells opening up. That's crazy. Yeah, that peach around that vibrant pink almost looks gold or like mud. Wow. We got some really gorgeous cells. I am excited. So I have a little bit of additional peach color. I just want to help it flow so it doesn't roll underneath too much. I'd rather have all the excess paint in the pan than mess up what's going on in the center there. Yeah, I love that. Man, just... All right, here we go. Let me see where the weight of the paint is. All right. Just did a very light spin. I'm gonna have to spin it again because there's a lot of paint still in there. Ooh. But before I spin it, I'm gonna warm it up again and get some more cells. And little ones here and there. Small, subtle little dots, changes, which is okay, because we still got to stretch it a little bit more. There's still a little bit too much paint. Let's see here, how can I spin it? Yeah, that'll be good. Oh, spinning it Wait till it stops. It thinned out the layers in that center portion just enough to where I'm seeing other colors popping through. Yeah, the heat created all that. That's awesome. I really like this one. Let me get you guys down here. I want you to check it out. All right. So this thing looks super cool from a distance, but then like there's so many tiny little things going on inside of it. What do you see in this one?
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.